make a magic ring, I do my magic rings by making like this little X on the underside of my fingers and then drawing up this like kind of twisty thing and then starting my chain. In this case, it is a chain 2. Alternatively, you can chain 4, slip stitch it into a round, and then that function as your magic circle. After you chain 2, you're gonna double crochet 2 into the magic circle. Then you're gonna chain 2, then double crochet 3 into the magic circle. Chain 2, double crochet 3 into the magic circle. Chain 2, double crochet 3 into the magic circle. Chain 2, tighten this little tail thing if you have one, and slip stitch it to the top of the beginning chain 2. Then you're gonna chain 2 and turn your square. In this little space, you're gonna double crochet 2, chain 2, double crochet 3. In this space and the other spaces, you're going to double crochet 3, chain 2, double crochet 3. After that last corner, you're gonna slip stitch to the beginning chain 2, then chain 2 and turn your square. In this little space, you're gonna double crochet 2, chain 1, in the corner, double crochet 3, chain 2, double crochet 3. Then chain 1, and on this little space on the side, double crochet 3. Then chain 1, and just keep doing that around. In every corner, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and then chain 1 after, and then in these little parts on the side, 3 double crochets and chain 1 after. after the last corner, chain 1, then slip stitch to the beginning of the chain 2. You can either keep going or just tie it off and weave in your ends. For what I'm doing, I'm just tying it off here and then weaving in the ends later. And this is a weight for yarn with a 5mm crochet hook and gives me a roughly 4-inch square.